Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan fully funded fellowship opportunity. That is Hubert Humphrey Fellowship Program. Click on apply now. So, promoting mutual understanding through exchange program. So the fellowship name is Hubert Humphrey Fellowship Program that is currently open, and the last date to apply for this program is 18 April 2023. So this is a fully funded fellowship program in United States of America. So you can check a flyer, click on flyer. So friends, this is the officially Hubert Humphrey Fellowship Competition flyer for the year of 2024, opportunity for professional development in the USA. So the USEFP, a binational commission, pleased to announce the Hubert Humphrey Fellowship Program. This non-degree program is designed for mid-career 5 to 15 years or relevant experienced professional and consists of 10 to 12 months of graduate level non-degree academics coursework and opportunity to work in the United States in the relevant field. So the grant benefits are the grant funds your tuition fee, your airfare, your living stipend, and your health insurance. USEFP also assists with the visa process. So friends, this is very great opportunity for mid-career professional from Pakistan. Applications are invited in the following fields: human and institutional capacity, economic development, finance and banking, public policy analysis and public administration, technology policy and management, human resource management. So the eligibility criteria to apply for this program is successful applicant must be Pakistani citizen residing and working in Pakistan with a minimum of 5 years of progressively responsible professional work experience, coupled with a 16 year of formal education and a guarantee of re-employment upon return to Pakistan. Applicant must possess a high level of fluency in spoken and written English. And a very important thing is that Duolingo English test score report is mandatory with the application. Application without valid score report will not be accepted. So this is an online English proficiency test. You can register yourself on www.registertest.duolingo.com. All application material including your degree, your transcript, your CV, your Duolingo English test score report and your reference must be submitted online to USEFP by Tuesday 18 April 2023. And please note that plagiarism or misrepresentation will lead to disqualification at any stage of the program. TOEFL test is not required with the application, only successful candidate will be required with the TOEFL score. Women, people with disability and individuals from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Azad Jammu Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, Balochistan, Northern Sindh and Southern Punjab are highly encouraged to apply for this fellowship program. So then go back. So friends, you can also check more information about this fellowship program and frequently asked question. So I'm going to apply on it. So click here start application. So continue it. So friends, this is the USEFP Humphrey application form. So if you are a new applicant, then first of all you have to start with a new application. So I'm going to continue my application. I have to put my email address and my password, then click on login. So friends, this is my officially USEFP Humphrey program application. So still my application is 11% completed for the year of 2024. So friends, you have to complete your all information by putting your all information. So read all instruction and information very carefully before completing your application. So friends, in order to apply for this fellowship program, you have to complete your biosheet A, your biosheet 2, your essay question, your personal information, your English language proficiency, your reference letter, and your documents you have to upload on this application form. So the application checklist for 2024 Hubert H.Humphrey program is your employment letter, your master degree if applicable, your bachelor degree, and your resume and your passport if available. So friends, this is the application procedure. Hope so you understand that how you can log in for this application form. After logging your account, then you have to simply put your all information and answering this question, and after that then simply you have to upload your all documents and then simply click on submit your application form. So friends, must avail this a great opportunity and also share this video with your family and your friend circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.